Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be reading a story called The Ladybug Life Cycle. So just like our caterpillars turned into butterflies and our tadpoles turned into frogs, we're going to see what happens during a ladybug life cycle. They don't start out as ladybugs, so let's find out. What is tiny, shiny, and dressed in a spotted coat? A ladybug. Ladybugs are not all ladies. They can be male or female, boy or girl. Ladybugs are insects. They are part of a group of insects called beetles. And ladybugs are actually very good bugs. Ladybugs have 6 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One pair of wings is hard. These are actually wings. They protect another pair of wings that is fragile and used for flying. But ladybugs do not begin their lives looking this way at all. Read on to learn about the life cycle of this incredible bug. And look here. Ladybugs have 2 antennae to feel, smell, and taste. A ladybug starts life inside an egg. Females lay eggs on leaves. The eggs look tiny, yellow, and almost look like jelly beans. One ladybug can lay 1,000 eggs during her lifetimes. That's a lot of eggs. Ladybugs lay their eggs in the springtime. That means they're laying them right now because it's spring. A few days later, the eggs hatch and out crawl tiny creatures. Ooh, they're kind of ugly. These are ladybug larvae. Munch, munch. They are so hungry, they eat their own eggshells. Wow, they're hungry, just like our caterpillars were hungry when they came out of their eggs. The job of the larvae is to eat, and eat. Its favorite food is a tiny bug called an aphid. A larva can eat 25 aphids in one day. Those are tiny little bugs, and they're found on plants. All that eating makes the larva grow and grow. It may not look like a ladybug yet, but just wait. Something amazing is about to happen. It got big, just like our caterpillars grew big. After a few weeks, the larvae stops moving and attaches itself to a leaf. Then it turns into something called a pupa. A pupa is like a wrapped up present, just like when our caterpillar makes a chrysalis. It wraps itself in a blanket. The female ladybugs are bigger than the male ladybugs. Guess what happens next? About 1 week later, the pupa breaks open and surprise, out pops a ladybug. So instead of a butterfly, they got ladybugs. An adult ladybug is about this size. That is smaller than the larva it came from. At first, the ladybug is soft and pale, but after a few weeks, its shell gets hard and bright, like this. A ladybug flies to a flower. That's what the ladybug looks like with its wings open. Soon the ladybug is able to spread its wings and fly. Wow, at last it's all grown up. So let's look. It starts out as an egg, then it becomes a larva, then it turns into a pupa, and eventually out of the pupa comes a ladybug. So it takes 32 days. That's about 1 month. All grown up. There are more than 4,000 kinds of ladybugs in the world. Some are red with a few spots. Some are red with lots of spots. Some ladybugs are brown or gold, and some are even yellow. Ladybugs can have anywhere from 0 to 24 spots on them. During the summer, ladybugs eat lots and lots of aphids and small insects. Munch, munch. They want to have full stomachs for the long winter ahead. Why? Many kinds of ladybugs hibernate. Remember, we learned that word hibernate. That's when they sleep all winter long. They hide under leaves and rocks or logs and sleep. And in spring, the ladybugs wake up and the female lays eggs. After that, the incredible ladybug life cycle starts all over again. The